Welcome to the channel where jewelry design meets realism. In this video, we will focus on professional jewelry shading, precise lighting, optimized render setting, and clean compositing. So your final visual look truly premium. Let's get started. Welcome back. This is my render of rose gold finger ring. Rose gold render in cycles. This is wireframe mode and this is mesh mode, clay mode. You can see here in this video the clay mode and from render mode, professional rendering in jewelry from Blender render engine cycles. So you can easily create or make professional in Blender cycles. So this is wall setting for rendering, and this is my rose gold. How I have made this rose gold, yellow gold, and white gold. All are the same, but you should change the color rose gold. So I'm gonna show you the hex code of this rose gold, light rose gold and dark rose gold. So this is the light rose gold, and rose gold is just like a copper shader that I, in my best of my knowledge, this is rose gold hex code. Pause this video and note down light rose gold, and this is the deep rose gold. This is my deep rose gold. So in the another video I will show you the perfect color of the yellow gold. This is so this is the bump gobot texture from bump, because it is not a polish. All in the real world gold, all are not a polish. This is I have add a gobos texture on gold, so it turns when I add the gobos texture, new texture node in the Blender after 4.2 version. This is the gobot texture. So you can see this is the compositing. Compositing is very important chapter. For I don't make it a denoise in the activate. I have add the denoise in the compositing, so it is save my time. So you can see here in this video that I have, this is my composition, very simple, glossy indirect for making a glare or at more reflection, glossy indirect shader. So for sharpening, you can see here this node form filter node. You can see here the filter node. So if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe and hit on the bell button to get early new release video. Thanks for watching. Safe planet. See you again in the next video.
Thank you for watching. To get more videos, kindly go to my channel and check it out. Gracias por ver. Para obtener más videos, por favor via a mi canal y comprabelo.